In a world where fuel prices rise like storms and technology races ahead faster than ever, truckers are asking one terrifying question. Will electric trucks save us money or destroy the trucking industry we know? Today, we break down the real cost of diesel versus electric trucks. No hype, no corporate fairy tales. Just the truth truckers face in 2025. Let's start with the painful part, buying the truck itself. A brand new diesel semi costs between $50,000 and $200,000, depending on specs and engine class. Truckers know this number by heart. It's the cost of joining the battlefield. But electric trucks? The price hits harder than a pothole at midnight. A fully electric Class 8 truck costs $350,000 to $450,000, sometimes double the cost of diesel. That means a single electric truck can swallow the entire budget of a small fleet owner. So, from the purchase cost angle, diesel wins this round, without even trying. Now, let's talk about the cost you feel every single week. Fuel. Diesel isn't just expensive, it's unpredictable. In 2024-2025, diesel prices bounce between $4.20 and $6 per gallon, depending on region. Average long-haul drivers spend $50,000 to $70,000 per year in diesel alone. Electric trucks? Charging costs vary based on location and whether you're using company chargers or public fast chargers. Company charging can reduce annual fuel costs to $14 or into $40,000, $20,000. But public fast chargers can push the cost higher than diesel in some cities. Charging during peak hours can double the bill. So the winner? Electric trucks win IF, and only if you have your own depot charger. Otherwise, diesel still punches harder. Here's where electric trucks flip the script. Diesel engines are mechanical monsters with thousands of moving parts. Oil changes, filters, injectors, turbos, emissions systems, DF fluid. The maintenance list is longer than a trucker's night shift. Average annual diesel maintenance cost, $10,000 to $15,000. Electric trucks? They don't need oil changes, filters, emission systems, or engine rebuilds. Electric motors are nearly maintenance-free. Their annual maintenance cost averages $2,000 to $5,000. Electric trucks dominate here. It's not even a debate. Cost isn't just dollars, it's also time. Time is money. Time is delivery. Time is survival. Diesel trucks can run 200 miles with dual tanks and refuel in 7 to 10 minutes. Electric trucks? Even the biggest electric semis max out at 300-500 miles per charge. Charging can take 30-45 minutes. Fast chargers. 10 hours. Depot charging. For long-haul truckers, that's deadly. A driver stuck waiting for a charge isn't earning, not for themselves and not for the company. From a range and uptime perspective, diesel crushes electric like a soda can. Here's the cost nobody wants to talk about. Electric truck battery replacement. A Class 8 electric truck battery can cost $100,000 to $150,000. Yes, you heard that right. It's like buying a whole new engine and another half a truck. Diesel engine rebuild? $20,000 to $40,000, depending on severity. When electric batteries die after 8 to 10 years, fleets face a monstrous replacement bill. Some sell the truck before the battery dies. Some can't. This cost alone scares many truckers away from going electric. Truckers live on the road. They don't live in corporate brochures. So what do real drivers say about cost? Diesel drivers. I can't afford downtime. A 45-minute charge every 300 miles? Not happening. My diesel may be expensive, but it never leaves me stranded due to charging issues. Electric truck drivers. The drive is smoother, no vibration, no oil smell. Cheaper fuel when you charge at your own depot. But when chargers are full or broken, your whole day is ruined. From a real-world trucking angle, both sides win depending on the driver's route. Long haul. Diesel wins. Short, urban, regional. Electric wins. Let's combine everything into one giant cost battle over 10 years. On diesel truck, 10-year cost estimate. Purchase, $180,000. Fuel, $600,000. Maintenance, $120,000. Engine rebuilds and repairs, $30,000. Total, $1,930,000. Electric truck, 10-year cost estimate. Purchase, $400,000. Electricity, $160,000. Maintenance, $40,000. Battery replacement, $110,000. Total, $710,000. The shocking truth? Electric trucks can be cheaper over 10 years. If battery prices fall and depot charging is available. If not, diesel remains king. In many countries, electric trucks receive huge incentives, tax credits, charging grants, fleet rebates. These can reduce the purchase cost by $40,000, $80,000. Diesel trucks increasingly face emissions fees and penalties. This pushes many companies toward electric fleets, not because they want to, but because policies force them. So what does the future hold? Electric trucks are getting better. Faster charging, longer range, falling prices. Battery tech evolves every year. Diesel isn't dying anytime soon. Even in 2040, long-haul trucking will still rely heavily on diesel or hybrid technology. The future isn't electric versus diesel, it's electric where practical, and diesel where needed. Each has strengths, each has costs, each has a future. Diesel versus electric truck costs. Who wins? The truth is simple. Diesel is cheaper to buy, more reliable for long distances, and easier to fuel. Electric can be cheaper in the long run if you control your charging and avoid battery disasters. In the end, the best truck isn't diesel or electric. The best truck is the one that keeps you moving, keeps you working, and keeps money in your pocket. This was the real cost breakdown. No corporate sugarcoating, just the truth from the road.
Thank you.